Aloha and welcome to this instructional video brought to you by Stop Medical. This basic instructional video is designed to help patients and their families get familiar with the proper use of their home oxygen equipment. We will be covering concentrator use and basic troubleshooting. For more detailed information on oxygen safety, cleaning, and disinfection, please refer to the handouts given to you by your delivery technician. An oxygen concentrator is designed to generate high levels of oxygen for patients in their home. Each machine is thoroughly tested, cleaned, and maintained prior to delivery. Stop Medical uses several different models of oxygen machines, and while yours may not be the exact one shown, they all operate in similar ways and are designed to dependably provide a steady flow of oxygen when needed. Plug the concentrator into the correct outlet. Turn it on using the power switch. You will hear the motor begin to run and the alarm may sound briefly as the concentrator reaches the proper operating pressure. Use the rotary flow control to adjust the oxygen to the prescribed liter flow. Adjust the knob until the middle of the bowl lines up with the prescribed liter flow mark. It is important to use the concentrator at the prescribed liter flow for the specific number of hours each day. Always follow your doctor's instructions and never use more or less than what has prescribed. Avoid turning the concentrator on and off frequently. If it's turned on, allow it to run for at least an hour before turning it off. Please only operate this in a dry environment away from water and humidity such as bathroom or shower. In certain instances, your healthcare professional may have ordered a humidifier for your oxygen therapy. With or without a humidifier, the patient will receive the same amount of oxygen. In order to use the humidifier, plug and attach the humidifier adapter to the cover of the humidifier bottle. Then, fill the humidifier bottle with distilled water. The bottle will be marked with a maximum and minimum water level. Ensure the cap is on securely and not cross-threaded. The humidifier will hook up to the outlet on your oxygen concentrator. Finally, attach the patient's tubing to the outlet of the humidifier bottle. In some cases, you may need to use an adapter like the one shown. Fitting the nasal cannula. Attach the tubing to the concentrator. Insert prongs into the nostrils. Ensure they curve into your nostrils. Place tubing over and behind each ear for comfort. Adjust the side under the chin to fit snugly, but not tightly. Troubleshooting. If you suspect there is no oxygen flow, first verify the bowl is floating at the correct setting on the concentrator. That will indicate that there is oxygen coming out of the machine. From there, check for loose tubing or if the lid of the humidifier is screwed down properly. Oftentimes, oxygen is flowing through the water but leaking out of the lid before it continues to the tubing. Inspect the humidifier bottle for proper setup and ensure bubbles are present. Check the air inlet filter for blockages. If problems persist, switch to a backup oxygen supply and call for service. Aside from initial setup, there may be an instance where there is an alarm or beeping coming from the machine. This may indicate a mechanical or electrical problem with your machine. If your machine begins to alarm, first check to see that the concentrator is properly plugged in and running. Ensure the outlet has power by checking the plug or circuit breaker in the house. Verify that the concentrator circuit breaker is not tripped. Most concentrators have an internal circuit breaker. The reset button is normally somewhere on the front of the concentrator. Push the button to reset the concentrator breaker and restart the machine. If problems persist, switch to a backup oxygen supply and call for service. Safety is our top priority at Staff Medical, and remember to refer to the sheets provided by Staff Medical for oxygen safety, cleaning, and disinfecting. If you have any questions, experience issues, contact us right away. We're here to support you in managing your health and ensuring your equipment operates smoothly. If you're interested in our other home medical equipment instructional videos, make sure to look in our video library.